The buzzword this year is obviously Edge AI. But what is Edge AI? That's a good question. Well, AI is artificial intelligence. We got that much. But what type of artificial intelligence? There's all sorts of different ways. There's model-based, there's knowledge-based, there's just sort of training digital filters. It's all over the map. Maybe we can get some sort of better understanding of Edge AI based on what Edge means. Well, Edge is sort of defined as not in the cloud. But what is the cloud? Well, clearly the cloud is not in your data center or not in your factory. The cloud is somewhere out there. You know, when you draw a network diagram, there's a cloud and it's not where you're at. But where exactly is the cloud? Well, where's the edge of it? That's where differing opinions jump in. So we don't have a precise definition of edge, and we don't have a precise definition of AI, which means Edge AI means a lot of things to a lot of different people. And that's part of why it's important to walk around the show and ask people and see what their definitions mean. I will tell you what I think Edge AI means, which is as you get closer and closer to the real world, there's a term that's starting to be used called physical AI, where you're talking sensors and motors actually interacting with artificial intelligence in some way, however you define artificial intelligence. So let's start there, really close to the real world where things happen. I'll say that is the sensor edge, and AI is I would say any means of improving performance using some sort of training mechanism and models based on that training. Now, if we get a little farther away from the sensors, maybe you've got a facility that is on your factory floor, that could still be considered Edge AI. But the farther you get away from that sensor edge, the physical edge, the farther you get into this strange area where no one quite knows. So there it is. I took a little more than 2 minutes to do that. I hope that's all right with you, and I hope that has dispelled some of the confusion. So I will see you next time. Hope you're having fun watching these videos. Ciao.